I'm Said and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the camera comparison between Realme X1 Max versus IQ7 device after using the Gcam. So yes friends, I did download and install the Google camera in both phones, IQ7 and the Realme X1 Max. And in case if you want to download and install the Google camera, so make sure to join in my Telegram group. I will try to post the APK directly in my Telegram group. So is my link friends exactly the Telegram group. So try to search in the Telegram as a Sai Tech Guru YT. You will get my Telegram channel. So make sure to join in my Telegram group. Definitely you can find the APK directly to download and you can install and you can try in your smartphone. So let's see friends, after using the Google Gcam, so which phone has got the better kind of image processing signals. That is what I'm trying to test in both phones. And one more quick note is that to differentiate between the normal shot and the Google Gcam shot, what I did is I went to the camera and I did use the watermark as well. So during this time of testing, that is what I did. So I did use a watermark in the IQ7 device. So if you don't see any kind of watermark, that belongs to the Google Cam. So if you see any kind of watermark, that belongs to the default camera. That is how you can differentiate friends actually. So there is an easy way to differentiate what is Google Cam and what is not Google Cam. So but in this video I'll try to mostly show you the Google Cam image samples which are taken in both phones, Realme X1 Max and the IQ7 device. So let me try to first show you friends is the Google Cam application which is present right now here, as you can clearly see friends. So one thing I did observe is that as soon as I install, so sometimes the Google Cam will crash, sometimes, not all the time, sometimes it will crash and I'm not able to get the wide angle lens. I'll try to find another APK as well. I'll try to use another APK, so which is kind of stable one and where I can use a wide angle. But right now I will be able to use this kind of Gcam without any kind of problems. But one thing is that in the IQ7 device, as you can see friends, you can actually use the camera really good, but sometimes in the Realme X1 Max it keeps on crashing. It's not that steady as well, as you can see friends. It's not that smooth sometimes, but I'll try to find the exact APK as well. So stay tuned for that APK. As you can see right now I'm trying to take the shot. It's now good. Sometimes it will definitely crash, sometimes, not all the time, as you can see friends. So I'm trying to show you the live proof as well what is happening. I did open, as you can see. So right now I'll try to compare a couple of shots between both phones. So first let me try to quickly show you the camera. So it's the same kind of interface you will be experiencing friends in both phones. And one thing is that the APK is really smooth in the IQ7 device. So let's get started friends with the camera comparison. So this is a shot which are taken in both phones friends using the Google Cam itself. So while using the Google Cam, I did observe one thing is that the colors are slightly more saturated on the Realme X1 Max than the IQ7 device. Slightly saturated, as you can see, little bit. That is what I did notice. Slightly kind of oversaturated. That is what I felt friends in the Realme X1 Max when I'm trying to use, but not in the IQ7 device. So let me need to show you the next shot which is available here, as you can see. So even in this shot as well, slightly, as you can see, the difference between the grass which is present here and here in the IQ7 device and here as well, as you can see friends closely if you observe slightly. And both phones I'm trying to use with the maximum brightness level during this time of demonstration as well. I'm ready to show you another image. This is another shot which I taken in both phones. As you can see friends, this is a shot, so which looks really good using in both phones. Actually I did not find much difference friends using with Gcam and without Gcam in the IQ7 device, but I did find a lot of difference in the Realme X1 Max. So with Gcam I did experience slightly more saturated colors after taking the shot, but in the IQ7 device I did not observe much of the difference overall. As you can see friends, this is another zoom shot which I took here. So two phones you cannot zoom more than this, as you can clearly see. And let me try to show you the sky color as well, how the sky color is looking in both phones, as you can see friends clearly. And in this shot also you'll be observing carefully friends, as you can see clearly the green grass is kind of slightly more saturated, as you can clearly see friends, slightly more saturated. And you compare with other IQ7 device, that is what I did observe right now, as you can clearly see here. A bit more saturated. You can clearly observe the right now the difference, how much it is. So definitely the Gcam is helping the phone, the Realme X1 Max, to look kind of more oversaturated sometimes, but not all the time. That is what slightly disadvantage. And this is a video which I recorded using the Gcam in both phones at same time. So this is a kind of stabilization it is friends in between both phones. So if you use the Google Cam, you will definitely lose the stabilization. So even in the Google Cam I did enable the stabilization, but it's not that great in terms of the stabilization in both phones. So that is what quite disadvantage in terms of stabilization. You don't get much kind of stabilization in both phones. So one more quick note, I did notice that if you try to take the Google Cam with using the front camera, then definitely friends, one thing is not good in the IQ7 device. So it will be, your face will become kind of red color every time you take the front cam in this IQ7 smartphone. That is what I did notice. But overall in the Realme X1 Max, I did not have any of those kind of problems if you're trying to take with the front camera every time. That is what I did observe during this time of testing. So now I will try to take the night mode shot. So till now I did show you only the outdoor shot. I did not try to take night mode shot. I wanted to take the night mode shot exactly in the studio lighting environment in front of the live camera, friends. So that is what I'll be trying to do to just to show you which phone has got the better kind of night mode visibility. That is what I'm trying to do right now. So let's see, friends. I'll try to turn off the studio light effects. As you can see, friends, right now I'm in completely pitch black. As you can see, completely in pitch dark as well. So let me need to quickly take the shot in the Realme X1 Max device. Right now I'm trying to take the shot in Realme X1 Max, as you can see. So I took the shot in the Realme X1 Max. Actually did create a little bit kind of colors. I'll try to show you later on. So it is a Realme IQ7 device. This is what I'm trying to show you, friends. IQ7 smartphone I'm trying to take right now using the night mode in complete darkness, in complete dark, without even any kind of light. You need to quickly change to the normal night mode, not the astro photography. So let's see, friends, what this IQ7 can actually take the shot. So right now both phones are finished the night mode shot. Let me need to quickly show you the exactly both phones how they look after turning on. As you can see, friends, clearly both phones, they did capture plenty of data, but one thing is that I'm getting slightly kind of red color in the IQ7 device, as you can see, friends. So that kind of problem still is there even in the night mode as well. I did not observe before, but in the Realme X1 Max you can get really amazing shots, as you can see, friends, using this kind of Google Cam. So that's really good. Let me try to take the default cam. So let's see what will be the default cam, how much you can actually get in the night mode shot. That's a really good thing to test. Let me try to test right now. So let's see whether we can actually observe any kind of difference or not, because by default cam it's really worst in terms of the night mode shot. I did not have any kind of visual. As you can see, friends, right now with the default cam it's not at all good, but with the Google Cam when I took, as you can see, at least you can see some kind of objects clearly. As you can clearly see, friends, you can see some kind of objects little bit, but with the default cam you cannot even see anything. You can clearly see, friends, you cannot even see anything. So it makes a lot of sense for the, I think for the Realme X1 Max users to use this kind of Google Cam. But let me to do the same kind of testing in the IQ7 device in terms of the night mode, testing with the default and testing with the Google Cam. I'm trying to observe in the Google Cam I'm getting red kind of color. Let's see what will happen with the default, whether it can capture much data than the Realme X1 Max or not. That is what I'm trying to see. I think in complete pitch black and pitch dark, as you can see, some little bit kind of more colors, little bit, but not much, as you can see. Slightly more colors you can see on the IQ7 device if you compare with the Realme X1 Max, as you can see here, friends. In overall, friends, the final conclusion is that the Google Cam is slightly helping in the Realme X1 Max to achieve the slightly better results when compared with the previous by the default stock camera. That is what I did observe. So in case if you are required, I will try to do the separate in-depth comparison, friends, before using the stock camera and using the G camera. I can do that for you, but this is a quick G cam images comparison between both phones. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more videos. And night shots are really great in this Realme X1 Max, and even the front cam shots are working perfectly with the APK. And IQ7 is slightly facing this kind of red kind of color in the IQ7 device. That is what some kind of problem, but overall it's really great in both phones in terms of the camera. But night mode shots, obviously the IQ7 is a clear winner in terms of the night mode shots by using the default cam. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and for more videos make sure to stay tuned for subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.